to my brand new tutorial, guys. In today's video, I'm excited to share an update. We call it water short puzzle bot. As you can see, I've withdrawn on it. I reached their first minimum withdrawal. I tried the withdrawal and the withdrawal have been sent to my wallet successful. You see here, successful withdrawal USDT. So guys, if you take this update very serious, you are going to make a little amount of money with it. So guys, this video is for educational purposes only. If you are just coming across my video for the first time, I remain your one and only legit update. I bring you tips and show you how to make money online with just your smartphone and anything that will connect you with internet. This one it does not have a outside referral link. So this is what you need to do. You are going to join my WhatsApp community link. From there, I'm going to leave a message, a link that if you click it will direct you, it will send you direct to my WhatsApp Telegram. Then if you are on the message WhatsApp Telegram, this is what you are going to do. I'm going to leave my WhatsApp Telegram community link in the video comment section. So once you click it and join it, this is what you are going to do. Just set the name water short puzzle, then I will send you the link through WhatsApp, then through Telegram, then you can click there, join, and then start earning money with it. So make sure you click my Telegram community link in the comment section, and you can also join my WhatsApp community link in the video description for more tips and more updates. So this is what to do. As you can see, I have 5,960 points. So if you come on this tax, they have different features. You see, if you come on this tax, they have different tax that you can do and make money with it. So you see, these are the tax. This partner tax is outside tax that you can do. So if you did it, you can come back, click on this share. This is where I can share it for you. You see, it did not have any referral link. So if I click on this invite, it will take me direct to a Telegram. I can only share it on Telegram, and it will not see link. It will just show you open. Let's see. You see, you invite friend first, get 500 gold. You will receive 200 points. So let's click on invite. You see what I'm saying? So if you invite a friend will earn commission. Okay, you see this open here. You see, if I share it to you, just click on this open. So this one you can only share it on Telegram. You cannot share it outside Telegram. Yes. So let's go back and continue with our update. So we'll finish on share. The next thing we need to do is to click on this collection. If you click on this collection, these are the earnings that I've collected. They have different types. So go back, click on this rank. If you click on this rank, this way you see how many people are doing well in this. As you can see, I'm legit update. I'm in level 28. So if you click on this challenge mode, this challenge mode means we are going to play it like as a challenge. So we are not playing it. We'll just go back. Yes, we'll just go back. So if you click on this skin, you see, like to change their background, I only have one unlocked. This way you will be earning daily. If you come on this daily check-in, you can come here daily and check. You can click on get, or you can watch ads to double your reward. I prefer you watch ads and double your reward. For example, let's click on it. Now an ad is going to pop up. Once the ad finish popping out, then you are going to earn a double reward on it. The same thing when you are playing the game. They are going to show you to claim. They are going to show you a button that you watch ad and then claim a reward. Make sure you watch the ad, or I will recommend you watch the ad so that you will double the reward. You see, if you click on this, okay, you see, I earn times 2. I supposed to earn 1. So as I watch the reward, the ads they give me times 2. So if you click on this wallet, this is where you are going to connect your wallet. You have seen here this, if you have 1,800 gold, you are going to withdraw 0.03 cents. If you have 18,000 gold, you are going to withdraw 0.3 cents gold USDT. If you have 60,000 gold, you are going to withdraw 1 USDT. As you can see, I have only 5,960 gold. If I should reach 18 gold now, I can be able to withdraw this one. But as you can see, the first one I withdraw on it, this connect wallet. So this is how you are going to connect your wallet. If you click on connect wallet, it will show you different wallets. You are going to choose the wallet of your choice. So you see, you are going to click on connect. So once you click on connect, to bring you back to the Telegram again. So as you can see, the has been, so you place your to confirm. Just